Hi guys, my name is Svetlana and I'm very glad to welcome you on my YouTube channel today. In this video I want to show you my step-by-step tutorial on the project Dot Dreams. I loved reading books when I was a child. It was a great window for me to explore new worlds of fantasy and magic, and since that time I love reading books. So a book is the real door to dreams for me. For this project I've chosen a book that I loved when I was a child. It's one of my favorite books, but it's very old and I decided to give it a chance for the new life. But don't worry, I have an ebook copy of this book, so it's still with me. I'm covering everything with white gesso, just here and there, to add some extra soft and shabby look for the project. I have cut several leaves and flowers from watercolor paper, and now I am sprinkling them with water and with glitter sprays of different colors. All the products I added to the description below my video. I decided to cover all chipboard and clay elements with acrylic paints, so I've chosen Sparks acrylic and metallic acrylic paints. I'm mixing up gray and blue colors to have a color I wanted to, and then I will be mixing violet and purple color to have this light violet shade. covering some paper elements and leaves with chunky embossing powder by Lindy's. Now all my elements are glued together and it seems quite finished, but it isn't. Now I am going to cover some of elements, the tops of elements, with white pearl acrylic paint. This will give it the look of finished project. I'm going to add some shadows, so I use the same spray that I used before in this project. I'm adding some toppings, so there are stones, glitter and beads, and I want to glue them on gloss acrylic medium. final step, I'm mixing some water with Sparks acrylic paint that I used before in the same project, and adding some splashes over it to give it a final look and to give an extra shine into it. So guys, my project is ready. I hope you like my video, and I'm really looking forward for your feedback below the video in the comments. If you have some questions, please ask me, and see you later in the next videos. Bye bye!